Mango and coconut are truly a match made in dessert heaven. Combine them with sticky rice, and you have Thailand's most beloved sweet treat, Thai mango sticky rice. It's creamy, tropical, and beautifully fragrant, a perfect way to end any meal. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we'll show you how to make this dreamy dessert right at home. Start by soaking glutinous rice overnight in plenty of water. The next day, drain it well and steam the rice in a bamboo steamer lined with cheesecloth for about 30 minutes until the grains turn translucent and tender. While it's still warm, mix the rice with a blend of coconut milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt. This step infuses every grain with rich coconut sweetness. Cover it and let it rest for about an hour to become soft and glossy. Meanwhile, make the coconut sauce by simmering coconut milk with sugar, salt, and a bit of rice flour until slightly thickened. To serve, place ripe mango slices on one side, the sticky rice on the other, and drizzle over that creamy coconut sauce. For extra texture, top with crispy mung beans or toasted sesame seeds. For best results, make sure to soak the rice long enough, use full-fat coconut milk, and always mix the coconut mixture into the rice while it's still hot so it absorbs perfectly. What you need is glutinous rice 200 grams, coconut milk 1 cup, sugar 3 tablespoons, sea salt 3/4 teaspoon, rice flour 1/2 tablespoons for thickening sauce, ripe mangoes 2, sliced, crispy mung beans or toasted sesame seeds, optional for garnish. And calories is approximately 190 kilocalories per 100 grams. Sweet, fragrant, and full of sunshine, this Thai mango sticky rice brings a taste of the tropics right to your table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia for more delicious Asian desserts.